Hey, what's going on? Daria Jackson Ligonier here. I am the co founder of Online Success Made Simple. And today I'm going to talk to you about day 24 of the Holiday Profit Push. So, as you're popping on, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm tuning in from Brooklyn, New York, where it's so beautiful. I'm enjoying this wonderful weather. So as you're popping on, let me know where you're coming from. I see you, Carol. What's up? What's going on? For those of you that do not know me, I am a retired teacher. I've been retired about 4 years now. And now I am a full-time digital marketer. And let me tell you, I love it. So I have joined the 90-day holiday push to help me reach my goals, to supplement my income, and to learn how to brand myself properly, how to market properly, and to show up for my perfect audience. So I see you popping on. Hey, what's going on? So if you want to learn how to market properly, you are sick and tired of asking for friends and family to support you, there is a better way. So what you want to do is you want to tap on that arrow on the side there and share this broadcast with your business besties, because today I'm going to be talking to you about CTAs. If you don't know what a CTA is, it is a call to action. And my mentor gave us a blueprint to follow when using CTAs, because a lot of times when you're doing your videos, I know for me, when I first started doing videos, I always forgot about the CTA. I didn't think it was important. And a CTA basically tells your audience or whoever's watching the video what to do. You're giving them instruction. So when you do a video, you should always think about what the end in mind is. What is it that the purpose of your video? You're not just doing a video to do a video, right? So you may want someone to email you for information. You may want them to comment something below the video to let you know that there's an interest. So there's something that you want them to do. There is a reason behind doing the video. So that's why the CTA, the call to action, is so important. Unfortunately, we have grown up in a world where we are used to being told what to do. So when we're not being told what to do, guess what? We do absolutely nothing. So when you do your videos, you want your audience to do whatever it is that you intend for them to do. So it is your responsibility to give them instruction. And believe me, people will follow your instruction, but you got to give it. So I know when I first started, oh my God, I kept forgetting to do a call to action. Then I didn't know what to say. So I would have my content already and know what it is that I want to say, and I say it. And then it was something about when I got to the call to action, I would get stuck. I wouldn't know what to say. I would pause and I would be so mad at myself because the video would flow until I got to the call to action. So I realized that I had to think about that before I did the video. So, you have to think it through before you do your videos. So I see you guys are popping on. Hey, y'all. Hey, take a moment and just tap my nose. Let me know that you're in the building because I see you. Come on inside the room. I see you. Thank you. Was that Cherie? Okay, Hortense. What's up, Nan? What's going on? Rosario, Jack. All right. Thank you. Thank you for coming through. So my mentor expressed the importance of a call to action, how important it is. And like I said, I really did not think it was that important, but I realized that it is. You could build your audience with a CTA. So if you don't have a CTA, you're not going to build your list. You're not going to build your audience because people are just going to keep scrolling. They may stop, hear a word or two, or even listen to your whole video. But Without a CTA, they're not going to do anything. And they're just going to say, oh, wow, that was nice. That was great information. Thank you. And keep it moving. Right. But if you have a CTA, then it's going to prompt them to do something. So she gave us some CTA tips here in the challenge. And if you want those tips, you must be a part of the challenge. You have to be a part of the community. We are a community of marketers that are learning how to brand ourselves properly, how to build a list properly, and just learning how to show up and getting the tools and the blueprint to do so. So see blueprint right here on my screen there. I hope you see it. Or if you would like the exact blueprint that I am following, this is what you need to do. Head over. Oh, I keep forgetting. Let me flip it. Take a screenshot of this, y'all, and head over to my website and you can get this blueprint. Okay? It's the exact blueprint that I follow on a daily basis. Because when I sit down to work on at my computer, I want to know exactly what to do every day. There were days before I got this blueprint, I had no idea what to do. I just knew I needed to show up online. I know I needed to post. I didn't know what to post. I didn't know how to craft it. So here you learn all of that. So we're doing a 90-day holiday push for those people that are ready to step up their game, where you no longer want to bug friends and family and asking them to take a look at what it is that you're offering and praying, hoping and praying that they'll buy something from you. So we don't do that. We don't have to worry about having a massive following, because you don't. We learn what we do is we learn how to attract buyers to us, and that's through our content. So it's very strategic. It's laid out step by step. We get a video each and every day covering what it is that we need to do so that we can be attractive to our audience. And that's basically it. It's an educational platform. So we have 4 income streams right now. 1 is coming. So if you want to be a part of this, you want to do it as soon as possible, like right now, because we have 4 income streams and 1 coming, and you'll be able to get access to that one free, totally free. Okay. So we have 4 different products, or packages, I should say. We have a $100 package, a $300, a $600, and a $900. And when we sell these packages, which is education, we get 100% commission straight to the payment processor of our choice. Yes. So if you want to be a part of this, comment ready in the comment section. You'll not only get my free blueprint, but you'll also get access to this exact challenge that I am doing. So you want to go over to my website. I'll do that again. Right? Make sure you screenshot this one more time. Head over to the website, screenshot that. Okay? Screenshot it. And what you want to do is put in your best email. You want to put in your best email because you're going to get this blueprint right here. So on Monday, I am going to be breaking down this blueprint to help you understand it and see how you can use this in your marketing. So you want to make sure that you head over and do that. And also you will get the information in your email. So I'm looking to work with and support 10 people. 10 people. So you head over there, get one of the packages and the blueprint, and then I'll show you how to use it. So just know that it is very, 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 very important. It just remind me of when I was teaching my students. They were special needs. And when I taught them social studies, I would tell them about different things that happened a long time ago. So we were talking about fossils and artifacts, and I was telling them that these were things that were around a long time ago. And I would just go on and on and on and walk around the classroom, and they would laugh and everything. So when I said very, 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 very important, it just reminded me of that. But CTAs, I can't express how important a CTA is, and I lost so many sales opportunities for not doing it. So I know for me, I didn't really know what I should be saying at the end. I didn't want to sound like anyone else, but now that I have this formula that was given to me, creating a CTA and saying a CTA, I feel very comfortable with it. And I no longer have to worry about, well, what should I be saying? So before I even do my videos, I make sure I have it there. I have it already laid out and something that I feel comfortable saying. So make sure that you are doing a CTA. Now, if you want that framework, make sure you go to my website. I'll put it up one more time. Go to my website. Make sure you enter your best email so you can get this blueprint over here. You will get an email from me. Make sure you check your spam. It may be in your spam, but you will get an email from me where you'll be able to download the free blueprint that I'm using. And then remember, I will be helping 10 people actualize their goals, get the income that they're looking for before the end of the year. Okay, so make sure that you do that. I appreciate you guys popping on. You guys are the bomb.com. Take a moment and just tap the screen. Show some love to your girl, Daria Jackson Ligonier. And also don't forget to share this live. The share button's at the bottom right here, with someone that really wants to supplement their income and they want to learn how to present themselves online properly, because there's so many people that are not doing it correctly. And that was me for a very long time. It was me. I didn't know what I was doing. I was ignorance on fire, but I was doing it. But I stumbled across this community that has taken me by the hand and shown me exactly what it is I'm supposed to do. So that's why I want to help 10 people. I can only take 10 people right now. So if you are someone that wants to learn, that is tired of getting the results that you're getting right now, which is maybe none or very little or very sporadic, come on through. Head over to my website. Screenshot this thing. Put your name. Not your name. Put your best email in there. Okay, so you can get the blueprint from me. And also you'll get the information about Monday's Zoom. It's going to be a very, very short Zoom, so it won't take up a lot of your time, but I will take a moment and break down this blueprint so you can understand how to use it. Does that sound good? Sounds good, y'all? Somebody put in the chat, yeah, Daria, that sounds good. That sounds great. Share some love. Tap my nose, y'all. All right. So I gotta run. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is day 25. We're like a quarter away from the end of the challenge. So I am looking forward to what she's going to bring for tomorrow. I will definitely bring it back here. So make sure you tune in tomorrow afternoon, somewhere around this time. And so you can find out what we're doing for day 25. But this thing is heating up. When I say it's heating up, it's heating up. And it just makes me so excited to just come and work my business because I know what I'm doing. If you're feeling like, now I got to do this, I got to do that, it's not going to work for you because it's going to come across in your content. So you want to be excited about your business again. You want to know exactly what it is that you should be doing for your business. Make sure you go over to my website. Okay. And I hope you screenshotted it. If you didn't get to screenshot it, put in the comments like, hey, I didn't get to screenshot, put it up again. And I will be more than happy to do that for you. Or if you want to comment ready, because you're ready to turn this thing around, I'll be more than happy to send the information over to you as well. So thank you so much again for coming through, all the people that have joined me. I really appreciate y'all. You guys are thebomb.com, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing evening. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Peace.